Hola, it's Gabby here, and today I'm going to make a birthday card with watercolors. I'm going to use a little cute creatures to do this card. Uh, I'm going to cut the letters that say happy birthday, and I'm going to color one by one. I really didn't see another way to do it. Maybe you can color in a paper and then you put the letters in the top and cut them, but I want them to be um, one in each color, and I want them to be like an ombre effect. I stamping right now the the little critters with my Versafine because I'm going, like I said, I'm going to do it in watercolor, and I'm going to use my Sig markers. These are the clean color real brush, and I'm going to color very fast. What I mark in the critters was the color of the cheeks. That's what they give them a little bit of more cuteness. They're already cute, but when they have pink cheeks, they look really, really super cute. In most of them, I use two colors, like one light and one dark, to make the bellies and stuff. For the white rabbit, I use a very light gray as a shadowing. You can use also very light blue. It will look very good also. After I finish coloring them, I just going to fussy cutting, and after that I'm going to do the edges with the Memento black marker. The way they look that I cut them almost perfect. After that I'm going to start coloring what is going to be the background of my panel. I already cut this heel, and I just coloring with my watercolors in green. I use dark green for the top, and for the bottom I use a lighter green. Very easy, just strokes from side to side. That's about it. For the panel, I'm going to also color in watercolors in blue, and I just want the bottom of the card, the part that is going to touch the heel, I want it darker than the rest of the blue part of the panel. I just doing splashes here and there with blue, and with the same blue, and I am going to make the dark part. I just don't put too much water in the color. It get darker, and I just going back and forward, cleaning and adding more uh, paint. When I'm satisfied with my background, I just dry it with my heat gun a little bit. You can wait for to air dry, but I just help the drying process a little bit with my heat gun. I just going to add the heel on the part that where I say that the heel I think should be, because I want, like I say, the dark part to be closer to the heel than to the top. And after that, I going to, as you see here, the heel was bigger than the car panel, and then just cut what is hanging outside the car panel. And I'm just going to start playing with my critters to see where I want each of them. I also remember that I have to do this, they have to left the space for the words, but I want to add the balloons. In the initial thought that I have, I want to add like 3 or 5 balloons, but with the letters for the happy birthday, I don't going to have enough space. I cut 3 balloons. I'm going to use just 2. I cut them in watercolor paper and I also color them with my stick markers. I also add on them iridescent watercolor ink. It's awesome. This is my first time using it and I love it. I was thinking it's going to get all over, but when it dries, it stay in the paper. After I finish gluing my the critters, I'm going to add the letters in the top of the card panel. Before adding the letter, I cut the letters also in black and I glue the colors in the letter colors in the black paper letters, because when I try to add the A, the happy, the A and the I in the birthday, they get lost in the blue sky. It's for that I decide to add the black uh, shadow in the letters. I glue the balloons and I'm going to add little confetti in the shape of a star and tiny circles. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry that my head is being in the whole video. I know this is very distracted, but sometimes I forget that I'm filming and I just get into what I'm doing. I'm really sorry about this. I also going to add googly eyes, and I add details in white gel pen in the little creatures, in the cheeks and the belly, and also in the balloons as you see here. I'm going to add on the letters glossy accent, and I also going to add the strings of the balloon using first a pencil and then a glitter black gel pen. After that, my card is ready to be glued on the card base. For the card base, I'm going to use white cardstock, and then I'm going to cut a frame in purple paper. This purple paper is for the gingham line from Doodlebug Designs. I think it says gingham line. The Rainbow Petit Prints. And then I'm going to glue my frame and I'm going to glue my car panel in top of my car base, and my car is ready to go. Well, thank you for watching my videos. Until next time, goodbye.